All right, guys, welcome to Cooking with Ash, episode 4, part 2. We're doing dinner. One of my kids' favourite, hi, Maggie, Peggy. Sausage pasta, penne pasta with broccoli, some onions, bit of parmesan, some rocket. Let's cook. So here we go, pack of 6 sausages, penne pasta, and broccoli, which I've pre-blanched. The penne pasta I've done 10 minutes as per instructions. Broccoli and the stalk, which I've cut up into fine pieces, about 5 minutes. Pre-blanched salted water, 1 sliced onion, some of our rocket we've got left over, some parmesan, and some reserved pasta water from cooking the pasta. It's important just to sort of bulk out a sauce. We also, Daniel, where's my white sauce? White sauce, Daniel! Sorry about him. And white sauce we had left over from last recipe. Let's cook. All right, pan on a medium heat, big splash of oil. We're just gonna soften our onions in there first. And we're off. Onions are in. Get them moving like we've done before. Big pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. I don't want them to brown, just to soften up, go a little translucent. Into that, we have our sausages. Just gonna peel back the skin, expose the meat inside, and just break them into threes. No dirty jokes, please, thank you. There we go. That's making these nice little meatballs. Okay, we're just gonna keep that moving. Mint's gonna break down a little bit, or the sausage meat. Just wanna keep it browning. Bit sticking, mine's sticking a little bit. I'm just gonna have another little glug of oil. And we're essentially looking to brown these meatballs off, like we did in our previous recipe with the koftas. Just get a bit of colour on all sides. I think if you keep it moving about 5 minutes and we're in for a winner. All right, there we go. Sausages are ready, onions are ready, they're nice and softened. The sausages, just be careful, have a little check. They're nice and firm. Into that, we're gonna add the bechamel we reserved from one of our last recipes. And then we're just gonna chuck in a big glug of pasta water. And into that, our penne and our broccoli. Remember, penne, been blanched for 10 minutes, broccoli, 5 minutes, stalks and all. Season with salt and pepper and grate in about 50 grams of your parmesan. Give it a good mix up. There we go, all finished. Broccoli, pasta with sausage, and velouté. Delicious. Let's get it plated up. Let's eat. Slap some in a bowl, and once again, top off with rocket and your parmesan. And there we go. Sausage pasta, broccoli, rocket, parmesan. Delish. Getting in. It's the best bit of the job, this. Yeah, I love it. Love the broccoli stalks. Loads of people throw them away. They've got really nice texture to them, loads and loads of flavour. Absolutely banging. Join us next episode. We're going to be making ourselves some arancini balls with the leftover risotto we had from last time. See you later.